Hey guys, Saturday afternoon may event dito sa Fort Bend Epicenter. Mamaya punta daw si Gary B. Hi guys, we're in Fort Bend Epicenter. Waiting for two friends still at the parking lot. Oh yeah, friends are here. They have to go back to the car because they are not allowing any bags, any colored bags. It should be transparent.
May $10.
Ay, sa akin mo na nabigay $10.
$10.
Ano meron dito? Ano meron dito? Okay, let's look around.
I'm sorry, what?
Kalayaan 2024. Kalayaan 2024. Ayos ah. Parang ang saya, parang fiesta. Ano pinag sa tao? Siguro. Ayos ah.
Gusto mo, halahala?
Ba, umiiwas nga ako sa matamis. Guys, nag-diet ako eh. Tubig na iniinom ko ngayon.
Shopa.
May shop pa tayo sa bahay. Tumingin ka muna. No,
Alam ko, puro matamis na.
yan ang may stage. Ito barbecue. Bilo-bilo, $12. Ice candy. Ice candy oh. Ice candy. Ice candy. Ice candy oh. They have ice candy.
To get involved in the community, hit up the Leos. There's a lot of other people that organizations that
At you want coconut or milk?
Medical spa.
Ay, tumigil pawis mo.
Ha? Wait. Ito yung matin sa Beaumont. Naka-purple. Yan, sir. Ice candy. Thank you. Hey. Ice candy. Zumba time.
Philadelphia American National Historical Society. Yes, and they are having a conference also in July next month, so visit them upstairs.
Yes. Next is Kalahana.
Kain Pinoy. Kain Pinoy. May rapper sa stage. Okay, bili tayong barbecue.
Apat na pork belly.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Gusto mo chicken?
Ito, video kay Melan ah.
Malamig.
Masarap?
Malamig.
Stress na, you tested it?
No, not yet.
Ito, ano to? Pineapple?
Lemonade po.
Lemonade. Okay. Okay, we're going up. Then. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys. Kain muna, kain. Picture, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
camera
May
nito eh.
filter eh.
That's a great question.
Ang puti ko.
Okay. Pwede. Okay, sa mga fancy shopping.
Sana wala nang mga.
Sa ugali, maging sa kumilos. Mayroon, mahimhim, mapili lahat ng ayos. Malinis ang puso, maging sa panino. May tibay, tinig ang loob. Bulaklak na dami, marigala.
Si BJ nasa VIP. VIP box. Ayan siya. Nagte-text. Nagte-text si Pogi oh.
Paano pag nakasalubong ko, Daddy? Dadaan tayo dun eh.
Beso-beso.
Okay, kamusta? O, ihito mo na.
Daming tao. Ah,
Royal Oaks Medical
I know this
Wellness
girl.
and Clinic treatment.
Wow. What kind of treatment? What kind of treatment? So everybody can. Oh, she's there.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll give it to you later.
Yeah.
I'll give it to you. It's fine. You still have. There's a lot of people over there. We got it.
Yeah. Okay, what's next?
We have another Jelly Green. I don't know.
Hi guys, start na daw, ha?
Oh, Amina, picture ako kayo dito.
Hindi tayo.
Tayo.
Tayo sa mga.
Oh, sama.
Selfie tayo sa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yan.
Puti yun. Ganda ng filter.
Saan na si Gary B? Where's Gary? Where's Gary? Gary. Sino si Gary? Dami tayo.
Can we play the video for the TFC hour, please?
Okay guys, dami ng tao. Hindi si Gary B.
Thank you po tayo dyan. Palakpak naman. Did you guys like it?
the truth. Telling you it's all real. Something I don't need a whole bunch of fear. I think we know all the facts. Just only want to put us back on the right track. People in the West is north and the South. People who think I'm just running my mouth. Some of you might remember this song. Used to be played pre-pandemic, but it still holds true till today. Listen. Mula pa man noon, saksi ang kasaysayan, galing di makita ng dintalay. Lungkot ang pinagpis, patuloy mong tiniis, sa ibang bansa'y iyong daming tanong, walang sagot. Hindi mapakalit ang pagbabago ng isipan ng mga kaugalian. Ang nais kong makita sa ating kamalahunan na hostile. You do the right and do the left. Do the right, let's do it double time. Let's go. It feels like work. Snap your fingers to me. Work and play it feels like work. And play. Work and play it feels like work. And play. Work and play it feels like work. And play. Work and play. All right. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, from you, I want to see you put your hands together like maybe you used to do back in the day. That's gonna be my source of energy right now. And Cheyenne. More pa! Honest with you, hindi na pa ako umuhakaw dito, but you actually have the biggest dance floor where you're at.
BJ yan eh. Pag kailangan ng BJ, naiiyak siya eh.
Winning battles left.
Huwag ka iyak ha.
Even running low when I fall down. Picks me up when no one is around.
Grabe, naluha si BJ.
Naluha ako sa init.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Pure Energy himself, Gary
Grabe init!
Y'all really enjoy using
Grabe.
Mr. Pure Energy himself.
Babalikin natin si Gary, right? That's right. Babalik ka rin,
Nag-enjoy kayo.
Salamat.
Ayos. Oy. Ayos.
Thank you.
Ayos. Grabe guys.
Oh, wait.
Grabe energy ni Gary. Okay guys, no, nasabi ko. Grabe si Gary V. So, pangalawang beses ko siyang mapanood sa buong buhay ko. Noong 2003 yata, 2004, siya ang performer ng Unilab Christmas Party, no? Malaking event yon. And talagang iba-iba experience pag napanood mo si Gary V. Lalo-lalo na sa concert. So, eto, ano lang siya dito, guest lang siya dito, pero binibigay niya talaga 100% pure energy. Galing. Pati yung mga yung anak niya tsaka yung pamangkin niya. Tapos na yung event natin, Kalayaan 2024, no? And sponsored by TFC. Grabe. So kumain tayo kanina doon sa park sa nung performance ni Gary V. Walang mga tao sa upuan kasi pumunta na lahat dito sa gitna, tumayo, nakatayo na lahat. Wala na nakaupo sa sa gilid. Pero grabe yung 100% pure energy talaga. Mr. Gary V. Okay guys, with that, tatapusin ko na, no? Salamat sa pag-join sa akin. Hopefully naaliw kayo. Kita nyo yung dami ng tao dito, no? Walang palya. And wala ring mask. Bye guys. O yan, ice candy na naman.
$1 na lang.
Ay, $1 na kayo ano. $1 na lang, sinesale na oh. Tanongin nyo yung barbecue, baka $1 na rin. Pinapaubos na eh.
Yung balot, daddy, bili ka.
Eh, bawal nga. Bye guys. See you next time.